Creating a YouTube automation involves setting up tools or scripts to perform tasks like uploading videos, managing comments, or analyzing performance. Here's a quick guide. 1. Define goals. Decide what tasks you want to automate, such as uploading videos, managing playlists, or responding to comments. 2. Select tools. Choose automation tools or platforms like TubeBuddy, Hootsuite, or custom scripts using YouTube Data API. 3. Set up API access. Go to Google Cloud Console, create a new project and enable the YouTube Data API, generate API keys for authentication. 4. Configure tools. For tools like TubeBuddy or Hootsuite, link your YouTube account and set up automation rules in their dashboard. For custom scripts, use the API keys to interact with YouTube's API. 5. Create automation scripts. If using custom scripts, write scripts using Python or another language to interact with the YouTube Data API. Common libraries include Google API Python Client for Python, implement functions like uploading videos, updating metadata, or responding to comments. 6. Test. Run tests to ensure the automation performs tasks correctly without errors. 7. Monitor. Regularly check the automation to ensure it's working as expected and make adjustments as needed. 8. Adjust and optimize. Based on performance and feedback, tweak the automation settings or scripts for better results.